In this video, we will show you how to properly disassemble, maintain, and reassemble your Hilti DX 350 powder-actuated tool. Before starting any maintenance, be sure the tool is unloaded. Remove the cartridge strip in the tool by gripping the tab and pulling it straight out through the top of the tool. To begin disassembly, remove the piston guide sleeve, base plate, and piston from the tool body or housing. You can do this by using a nail or screwdriver. Locate the nail head under the tang of the annular spring. Rotate the annular spring backwards until it clears the stop. Remove the stop. Grasp the front of the base plate and pull the complete assembly out of the tool body or housing. Set the tool body or housing aside. Remove the shear clip or spring clip from the base plate assembly. You can use a nail or screwdriver to remove the clip. Using the nail point, press against the leading edge of the clip, pushing it off the base plate. Push it out far enough to grab with your fingers and then remove completely. Remove the base plate and fastener guide assembly from the piston guide sleeve. Remove the fastener guide by tilting the base plate so that the fastener guide slides out. To finish disassembly, remove the drive piston from the guide sleeve. To ensure smooth and efficient operation of the DX 350, it should be cleaned regularly. Every day after use is ideal, but at least within 5,000 fastenings. Parts that show powder residue on them should be cleaned. A cleaning kit is included with the tool and can be purchased separately when needed. Using the wire brushes, remove any powder residue showing on the inside or outside of the various parts of the disassembled tool. Don't forget the tool housing, fastener guide, and piston. Use a small brush to clean out the cartridge seat. It's located at the back of the piston guide sleeve. Once clean, spray Hilti lubricant on the parts you brushed off, but do not spray lubricant in the cartridge seat. Apply sparingly and wipe with a cloth to leave a fine film on the parts. Use only the specially formulated Hilti spray lubricant for powder-actuated tools. Besides cleaning, you will want to check the common wear items on the tool and replace as necessary. On pistons, look for signs of wear at the tip of the piston, bent piston, and broken retaining clip. Look for breakage or a bent part on the shear and spring clip. Check for cracks in the base plate. Last but not least, look for extreme wear on the end of the fastener guide, like cracks or chips. Overall, if the part looks worn, replace it. Now it's time to reassemble the tool. This portion of the video will show you how to replace damaged parts. You can find these replacement parts at your local Hilti center. Begin by inserting the piston into the piston guide sleeve. Press the piston as far as it will go. The large end of the piston goes in first, towards the back end of the guide sleeve. Drop the fastener guide into the base plate assembly. The guide should protrude from the front end of the base plate. Align the open slot on the base plate assembly with the long slot on the piston guide sleeve and press the base plate assembly onto the guide sleeve until it stops. Press the shear clip onto the base plate. When properly installed, there should be no obstruction along the open slot of the piston guide sleeve and base plate, and you should not be able to remove the base plate from the piston guide sleeve. Align the slot on the base plate and piston guide assembly with the stop opening on the housing of the tool body. Press this entire assembly into the tool housing. Replace the stop. Rotate the annular spring using a nail head or a screwdriver under the tang back over the stop to secure it in place. Be sure to check the tool for proper assembly before operation. Without loading a cartridge strip, cycle the tool, depress against a firm surface, and pull the trigger. The firing pin should release, making an audible click. If you hear the click, the tool is now ready for use. Visit the Hilti North America YouTube channel and view our entire how-to video series. Find more information on proper maintenance inside your tool owner's manual. For more complex repairs, contact Hilti Customer Service.